Hi, my name is Doug Lingo, Vice President of Manufacturing for MPI Labels. We've been in business since 1968 and we print labels all across the printing world. We do not say no. If someone brings in something that most other label companies say they can't do, we're going to try and figure out how to do it. We like a challenge. You'll see a huge range of different products that we print here. One of our Ohio facilities has purchased 3 Durst inkjet hybrid presses, and that's where Durst kind of came into the picture. They showed us what it could do. We went with the RSCi because of the options that it had. We chose to go with 6 colors, expanded gamut, and we also have opaque white. We go through a profile and it decides what we're going to use, so it's been really good. And one of the great things for us out on press that we haven't been used to in the past is that we print a job today and get all the colors dialed in, and then 2 months from now we upload that file again and print it, and it's perfect. The colors are all there, so we're not losing any downtime the next time we run it. Now, one thing about Durst that I've experienced is it's unlike any other capital equipment purchase that MPI has made. They're right behind me. You know, they're arm in arm. They over-communicate, if that's even a thing. We know exactly what's going on at all times with Durst. And the installation, they were here when they said they were going to be, and they worked in partnership with our hybrid press manufacturers, and those 2 companies did a great job getting everything up and running quickly for us. The training part is very simple. I brought over my most experienced Flexo operator to run it, and he's a pro. You know, it was so easy to run. He understands the software, and he's got it down.
My name is Kalen Curvin. I am the floor supervisor. I've run Flexo presses for 15 years. This is my first digital press, and I think that the Durst is superior to them all. It's a game changer for us because it makes our make-readies a lot faster. Quality is more consistent, and it just saves us a lot of time overall.
Our cost of operation is about 30% of what our previous digital cost of operation was. We switched to Durst so that we could do more work in one pass, and we're getting much higher speeds. We were running about 85 feet a minute on average before, and we're running 262 now with a finished label, so I'm not having to go through another machine. That was a huge difference, and you know, we thought at first that this was going to just replace our old digital technology, but we're actually moving 10 color Flexo jobs over to the Durst, and we've saved a ton of money by doing that because we're not having to set up 10 ink stations, match those colors, get everything dialed in. Our waste has dropped dramatically on those jobs that we've moved over. We're also using the Durst prepress software, and one of the things that it does for us is when we're trying to match a color, we can print a grid that basically hits all around a huge range of squares for that color. And then we can send that to our customer and they'll pick one, and then we're dialed right in. We're not having to go back and forth to press like we have in the past. We also are using the Durst analytics software, which is very insightful. It gives us a lot of good information after the production run. You know, I can look at a week's worth of work, a month's worth, and really see how we performed and where we can improve. If you're a label printer or a printer in general and you want to reduce your setup time and drop your waste, I highly recommend the Tau.